Welcome to the show, Chandler. So ETH proof of work has launched, but there are a lot of problems with it. Maybe you could go into, what your thoughts are and what the challenges are ahead.
Right now, just kind of 20 hours when the Ethereum POW launch. Now blockchain, no problem. Everything just good. A lot of hashing power right now.
Yeah, but Chandler, people can't access the network and they can't link it to their crypto wallets. When do you think that will start to work?
It's already there. It's because a lot of people get in. It's right now the 200 million address of Ether, and at least a million of people coming to get their job. So everyone want to connect to the RPC, the service. So all of the people coming, it's kind of DDoS. It means a lot of people come in the same door. It's crowd. So some people can connect, some people cannot connect. It's depends your speed of the network. That's all. So from now on, I know a lot of people already get our air job, but still a lot of people waiting. Not a crowd coming. So I'm waiting. We are the service keep adding. More and more.
Chandler, I'm just curious. Can you access the network, and have you sold any coins yet of ETHW?
My Ether already get it. ETHW already get it in MetaMask.
And have you sold it?
No, because the exchange not listing open the you cannot using the exchange right now, central exchange. The DEX not started right now, so it's right now have 2 DEX launch, but we don't have the USDT to bridge to the DEX, so you cannot sell and buy in the DEX. But then after 2 days later, the bridge coming. So all of your Tether, USDT or your DC will be the bridge to the ETHW, and all your asset will be sell and buy.
So
after
Yeah, I was going to say, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you say, 10 being perfect, 1 being a mess? How would you rate this?
Right now, it's kind of 5. The blockchain already there, and everything worked. Just the crowd, and central exchange just launched the IOU, and there will be the open listen. There will be the open withdraw, or you can put your token in the exchange after the couple hours later when the blockchain is stable, right? Right now, they are waiting for. They always like the 3 days after everything good. They will be start open the the withdrawal or whatever, and they need time. And the biggest exchange right now. Right now is the 25 exchange listing, IOU, and more and more exchange coming after the price, kind of stable. Right now the price up and down a lot, right? Actually, when the people finally think, oh, it's blockchain work, IOU, it's Ethereum POW is work. Right now 70 terahash hashing power in the Ether. In the ETHW, it's crazy, and the blockchain just is stable, and no fork on the Ethereum POW, everything's good.
So you're an investor in a lot of Ethereum Classic startups, and you're championing this new fork of Ethereum, which is yet another fork of Ethereum. Why not
ETC?
Why not just ETC? Why do we need ETC and ETHW?
Okay, ETC actually run by Barry, DCG the founder, right? I'm not part of that. I'm
ETC, Ethereum Classic.
ETC.
Yeah.
I have I buy a lot of ETC before. It's kind of 1.5 million of the ETC. But I sell it when it's very high price, and change back to Bitcoin. And that's all. This time,
why do we need?
This time
why do we need?
This time.
What's the difference between Ethereum Classic and ETHW? Why do we need ETH Classic and ETHW? Why do we need the two of them?
Oh, this is a different story. Totally different story. ETC. It's a long time ago. It's 2016 when Ether was very small,
yeah.
And nothing working on the ETC and ETH at that time. Just layer 1. No layer 2, no NFT, no DeFi, nothing there. Everything just new. So when the Ether is growing bigger and bigger, ETC growing very slow. Nothing at there. It cost a long time, but ETC price still growing with ETH. The price from $1 to to kind of the $15. It's price 150. It's kind of the 100x. But there's still nothing out there. But the ETH today, the ETHW today is different. When they fork, everything the fork, or the ERC20 fork, or the NFT fork. Let me tell you the NFT market, for example. The NFT market today already 3 NFT exchange will be listing all of the NFT airdrop. Your NFT airdrop can trading on the ETHW. And more and more NFT exchange will be listing, and you will see that. All of their token, NFT token can trading that there. It's same like it's because
okay,
it's
I
small
understand.
picture,
So you're saying that ETH Classic, it didn't really have any development when it forked, and so it's still continuing in that way. But this new ETHW chain has come out after a time where there has been a lot of Ethereum development. But the thing is, a lot of the platforms, stablecoins, DAOs, layer 2s, say they're not going to continue developing on ETHW. So we'll have the same problem that ETH Classic has, and that there will be no developers working on it. And so it'll be this zombie chain. And is that worth it?
Even this zombie chain, it doesn't matter, because people come into a crypto world for what? For making more money. So their name is Ethereum Classic. When the Ethereum is growing up, the Ethereum Classic is growing up. That's all. But this time different. The Ethereum POW is kind of the home of the Ethereum. It's original Ethereum. When the Ethereum, POS have problem on the SEC, whatever, you will be welcome back to the home, the ETHW. It's a developer all around the world. Maybe ETHW is one choice. When they have problem, they can go back home to keep doing their developing. Right now, I will tell you the 200, more than 200 developer, coming to the Ethereum POW, and 200 is about 20 of the project will be launched. The DEX, the bridge, the DeFi, the NFT exchange, even the mix like a Toronto Cash will be working on the Ethereum POW. It's like a Bitcoin, you know, run by, you know.
One last question,
community.
Chandler. You know, a lot of Ethereum movers are now moving away, are trying to mine proof of work tokens, you know, ETH Classic as well as EthW, but they're finding that the pickings are pretty slim and the rewards aren't enough to, you know, balance out the energy that they're the electricity and the, you know, operation costs that they're having to spend.
Yeah.
So in the end, it may not even be profitable for miners to continue on with these ETH proof of work chains.
Yeah, you're correct. Like I said before, a lot of the miner will be bankrupt, because of there only 10% of them will be survive, who have a cheaper electricity. Some people have free electricity, actually. They can working on that. Other 90% bankrupt.